Well, good morning from day 4 of my 1,000 kilometer road trip with the Renault Zoe ZE50. Today I need to drive 349 kilometers and my range is 351, so that will basically not work if I'm not super careful with my driving, which is not that easy to do. So in any case, I'm at 100%, that's a good start. In theory, this should be able to make 390 kilometers in one charge, but you never know. Depends on the traffic and the road conditions in general. So to drive from here to my hometown Uppsala, I'm in Karlstad right now, is about 320 kilometers if I go along the major roads, but I will take a slightly different route from here, both because I would like to drive a little bit slower, more like a scenic route, and also because I need to do these 349 kilometers. Sweden's roads are basically divided into 3 types of roads. You can call them A, B and C roads, such as they do in Great Britain. The A roads are the motorways, highways, usually called E roads, Europe or European roads, such as the E18, E4, E20 and things like that. These are usually roads that will go a long way, even to other countries. Second type of roads, B roads, are country roads, meaning they span a large section of the country of Sweden. So for example, road number 55 or number 72 or 70 are roads like that. They basically go from one town to another, passing several county borders. And the third type of road, which are then C roads, are county roads, länsvägar. So they are usually with 3 digits, such as 288, 280, 290, 292 and things like that. So there could be a 290 in the county of Uppland and another one in... Sorry, there could be a 290 in Uppsala län, and could be another road number 290 in another län or another county. So be aware of that. But today I'm traveling north first from Karlstad to a small city called Avesta, where I will try to charge up and have lunch, and then continue to Uppsala from there. And most likely we will be able to do 349 kilometers in that when we are going that route. Well, not super fun. Apparently there's a roadworks being done over here. So they have set a recommended speed limit of 50 kilometers an hour, since they have recently remade these surfaces. So perhaps I should just stop by here and let these trucks pass. Let's do it. Oh wait, no, made a wrong decision. Let's go ahead. Apparently it's stopped over here, so that's good. Let's continue. Lovely. We have just reached Avesta after 222 kilometers. I am now at 137 kilometers range, 37% left, so we used 63% so far, and 873 distance totally on my 1,000 kilometer road trip. So I need to do 128 more. So I have a range of 137. That's a little bit too close for me for comfort. since the road from here are pretty big roads. The distance to my hometown is 108 kilometers, so we are 20 kilometers off. Perhaps we should just drive around here in Avesta for a while and see what we can find. 20 kilometers should be possible to do somehow, and then head to Uppsala. So let's charge up over here, have lunch, and then go from there. It says that it should take 4 hours and 40 minutes to go from 37 to 100%. I don't believe that. I believe since this is a 22 kilowatt charger, it will take about 1.5 hours or so. But let's go for it. Okay, just had lunch at a local pub here. Behind me over there is some sort of water feature. Really nice. I don't really know why I like them, but I do. Currently at 53%, which is a little bit shorter than I had expected from this half an hour's charge. So I'm not too sure whether or not this actually is a 22 kilowatt charger, or if it's just my car that's a little bit slow. But let's wait for 15 minutes more. I'm done here in Avesta now. I think this charging was not a 22 kilowatt charger. I got from 37% to 55%. That's 37, 47, that's 18% in 50 minutes. That's not that fast. But in any case, I've got 55% now, 203 kilometers range. I'm about to travel, I need to do 128. But I just have to show you this. Look over there. That's the giant Dala horse, the Dala Häst, which is made here in Dala, Sweden. It's of course not this big when you buy it in the shop, but you get an information on how it's being painted and what it usually looks like. So if you have the chance, buy a Dala horse in Sweden if you are here. Yes, I am back in Uppsala. To prove it, my car is over there. The cathedral is over there. It's being renovated. Over there is the Uppsala castle. And behind me over there is the botanical garden. So, after 4 days, I'm now back in Uppsala. There's just one small problem. I said this was going to be a 1,000 kilometer road trip. But I haven't done 1,000 kilometers yet. Have a look at this. 980.4 kilometers. So I need 19.6 kilometers more. But I think I know how to do that. Okay, we're getting closer. I now have 994 kilometers, so I need 5.9 kilometers more. And I'm at Net here in Uppsala. And this is basically an industrial area. So I think I will be able to find a route that's around 1 kilometer. And I will do that route 6 times to get to exactly 1,000 kilometers. Am I crazy? Yes, I am. But I would like to prove you that I will be able to do exactly 1,000 kilometers. So let's do 6 laps over here. And okay, back at the same spot after 1 lap. We are now at 995.5. So we had 1.4 kilometers with 1 lap. That makes... have a look at this. We are at 999.9 kilometers. So I'm pretty close now. Let's do 100 more meters and see where we end up. 999.9. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. Have a look at this. There we go. 1,000 kilometers. I said we could do it. So we are now at 1,000 kilometers, almost exactly as where I started these last laps. So let's turn right here and end this funny thing. We are done! Can you believe it? I started 3 days ago at 5:30 in the morning. That was Tuesday. Today it's Friday. I have now driven 1000 kilometers with the Renault Zoe ZE50 with a 52 kilowatt-hour battery. Today I started with 651 kilometers done, so I needed 349 kilometers more. I have now driven those 349 kilometers today. Started at 7:30 in the morning, and now it's 2:20 p.m. and I'm done with 85 kilometers left and 21%. It's now time to go home, edit this video. I will also provide a longer version of the video, complete with tonight I'm going to celebrate by having a beer, I guess.